Hello everyone, today we will solve an interesting math problem. Find the answer and write it in the comments. Okay, let's start. We have two solutions for this question. Let's start with the first solution. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for like. First parenthesis 8 minus 3 equals 5. Now multiplication 2 times 5 equals 10. Finally, division 50 divide 10 equals 5. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, S stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Here there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are done from left to right. Okay. Repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Now, let's solve the question according to the rule. First parenthesis, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Now, division and multiplication from left to right. First, division. 50 divided 2 equals 25. 25 times 5 equals 125. The correct answer will be 125. Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. Solve the question. Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to follow new videos. See you next video. Bye.